Congratulations, Rudiger. Erling, we cannot forget, at 22 years old, is the first time he plays semi-final Champions League. First time go to the Bernabeu, so biggest stage. So at the end, and was different.
Pep Guardiola congratulates the Real Madrid central defender Antonio Rudiger for the incredible performance as he controlled the world-class striker Erling Haaland throughout the game. As in fact, here he used to say that that was just incredible, of course, performance on Antonio Rudiger, and he gives him the great congratulation and for the good work for the incredible role. As everybody knows, well, the quality of Erling Haaland is he's just one among of the greatest striker, and in fact, Rudiger also is a world-class defender, as he showed that on the UEFA Champions League, the game that was between Chelsea Football Club against Manchester City, as Chelsea won UEFA Champions League. And this time around, the head coach here appreciates, and he used to say that Rudiger is just a world-class defender, as he was just